Okay, this is so cool. I'll use absorbent ground on the bottom, and then I'll do some staining with inks, and I'll do like India ink lines, and I had it all planned out, and I was like so excited, and then I'll do some pencil. You know what I mean? I have all these sketches in my journal. I always have notes, and then I figured for the sky I'll make it really simple. And then here's the painting. So I would wake up every morning. I was so excited. I'm working on it, and I really like what's going on with my sky. And this is everything I've taught you, but I'm using a lot more mediums, and I'm getting more into layers. And then what happened was this beautiful ground started appearing, and I was like, oh God, I can't do this idea because it's just too much. And so what I'm going to work on today is I'm going to use some light molding paste. And I'm going to kind of I don't really like these lines here. They're from the painting that was underneath it. And I'm going to just build this up a little, but I'm really enjoying the grays and the blacks and the colors and everything that this is becoming without me. It just sort of became that. And then I'm going to take some ink, and I am going to stain it, the sepia ink. And I'm going to do a little staining so I can get my hit, but it's not going to be like I originally thought. So I don't know if that answers your question. So sometimes you have these well-laid plans, and then this painting starts speaking to you and saying, well, no, this is what I need to become. And you're like, oh, okay, well, thank you, I will listen. Yeah.
Great, I like it.
Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today.
Complex. I mean, so many, you can see there's lots and lots of layers.
This is the advanced class. So I have one spot left for the end of this month. I'm teaching it in my home studio, and what we're doing is we're building layers and using all the mediums that you see in the art store and creating transparent layers and thick layers and waxy effects, and then using an electrical sander and really getting in there and building paintings like this. Yeah, so this gets me up in the morning. This is why I do this, so I can come and do this.